Why Disney makes people feel happy. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something very interesting, something emotional, something millions of people experience, but rarely understand. Why does Disney make people feel happy? Not excited, not entertained, but genuinely happy. Adults cry at Disneyland. Children feel safe. People forget stress, time, and real life. This is not an accident. Disney doesn't just create rides. Disney designs feelings. In this video, you'll learn why your brain relaxes at Disney, how Disney uses psychology, why happiness there feels so real, and why people come back again and again. Let's begin. Part 1. Happiness is designed. Happiness at Disney is not random. It is engineered. Disney studies human behavior, emotions, memory, childhood psychology. Every detail exists for one reason: to make you feel safe and joyful. When you enter Disney, your brain receives signals: bright colors, friendly faces, familiar music. Your nervous system slowly relaxes. You don't feel rushed. You don't feel judged. You don't feel unsafe. Your brain says, I can relax here. Part 2. Disney creates a safe world. One reason Disney makes people happy is safety. Disney parks are clean, organized, predictable. Nothing feels chaotic. In real life, we deal with stress, danger, noise, problems. At Disney, there is no chaos, no uncertainty, no danger. Your brain loves that. Psychologically, Disney feels like a protected bubble, a controlled world, a safe dream. That's why parents relax. That's why children smile. Part 3. Music and memory. Music plays a huge role in happiness. Disney music is slow, melodic, familiar. When you hear it, your brain connects it to childhood, cartoons, simple times. This is called emotional memory. Disney uses music to reduce anxiety, increase comfort, create nostalgia. That's why people feel emotional. That's why adults feel like children again. Part 4. Why Disney feels like childhood. Disney understands childhood better than anyone. At Disney, mistakes are allowed, curiosity is encouraged, joy is celebrated. There is no pressure to be successful, perfect, productive. You don't have to prove anything. For adults, this is powerful. It reminds them of a time when life was simple, dreams were possible, and happiness was easy. That feeling is rare. Part 5. People feel seen and valued. Disney employees are called cast members. Why? Because every visitor is part of the story. Cast members smile, listen, help. They treat guests like they matter. Psychologically, this creates validation, connection, belonging. Many people don't feel this in daily life. At Disney, they do. And that creates happiness. Part 6. Disney controls the senses. Disney controls what you see, what you hear, what you smell. Smells like popcorn, vanilla, sweets. Colors are warm and friendly. Sounds are calm and positive. Your brain receives only pleasant signals. No stress, no negativity. This sensory control keeps your mood high. Part 7. Escaping reality. Disney offers something rare: escape without guilt. You are allowed to be silly, believe in magic, feel wonder. No one laughs at you. No one judges you. For a few hours or days, you don't have to think about work, money problems. Your mind rests. That mental rest feels like happiness. Part 8. Why people come back. People don't return to Disney for rides. They return for feelings, memories, emotions. Disney becomes associated with love, family, joy. Your brain wants that again, so you come back. Disney makes people happy because it understands humans, not technology, not rides, but emotions. In a world full of stress, Disney reminds us how happiness feels. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and comment below. What does Disney make you feel? Thank you for watching.